As school districts prepare for fall classes, students' health is at the top of the list. And it's not just COVID-19. Our NATASHA Williams shares why the Twin Falls School District is pushing its start date back in tonight's Finding Hope.
Over those 2 days, the district says they plan to offer an opportunity for educators to take a half-day mental health training. The district says they plan to make mental health a priority.
We've recognized this for a long time. We've had lots of discussions with the teachers in the district around mental health, but the COVID crisis and packing up your classrooms and ending the year in March and not knowing that would be the last time you would see your students, it kind of compounded everything.
The district says dealing with the emotion of suddenly switching to online learning this spring had a huge effect on everyone's mental well-being.
It was trauma. There was trauma not only for the students, but for the teachers.
The goal of these trainings is to equip educators with the tools they need to manage their mental health.
We want to provide teachers with strategies in dealing with this. We know that when our teachers are healthy, then they can better take care of our students who need us.
The trainings will also help educators to recognize and address warning signs in students.
Watching what's happened this spring with social emotional health with students, we've had we've seen students struggle with emotional needs while we've been out of school.
This will also give educators an opportunity to check in with their own mental health before the first day of school.
It's really hard to be effective in any job that you do if you're struggling with mental health or struggling with those social emotional needs. And so, it really is a situation where we want to take care of our teachers to make sure they're taking care of their health.
The district says they plan to offer other mental health trainings like this one and other wellness trainings as well throughout the school year. In Twin Falls, NATASHA Williams, Idaho News 6.
COVID-19 changed the spring, and it's changing how school will happen this fall. Cases continue to climb, with the statewide total now surpassing 25,000. In Idaho, each school district will make its own back-to-school decisions with guidance from health and education officials. Here in the Treasure Valley, the Boise and Napa school districts will start the year entirely online, while some students in West Ada could be headed back to the classrooms. For those kids, daily health checks by parents can help prevent the spread of the virus.
Daily health screenings with their students. So ask them how they're feeling. Do they have a cough? Do they have a runny nose, a sore throat?
St. Luke says if you or your kids feel sick at all, stay home.
For the time being, we should all assume that it's COVID and stay home. That's a lot of disruption, I recognize, but the only way that we're going to slow the spread of this effectively, maybe not the only way, but one of the best ways, is once you start having symptoms, stay home.
St. Luke's has a COVID-19 self-assessment tool on their website. Just head to stlukesonline.org.